I'm Joan,
Harry.
and the world is our home.
Yes.
Come live with us as we travel.
Yes.
Canada, Sicily, Thailand, many places.
They pick them out for you. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's 1 kilo of old huge massive shrimp. It's 400 baht.
1 kilo.
$16 for over 2 pounds of shrimp. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm making shrimp sandwiches tonight. And of course, the heads come up. They're going to be done separately. And then of course I'll trim these. And we got really nice baguette bread. French baguette with some really nice lettuce,
Yes.
some fresh onions, some cheese, and a little bit of butter. And it's gonna be shrimp. You will have never seen a shrimp sandwich like this, ever.
Fabulous.
Chop. Heads are off. They're gonna go first. That's gonna be one the sauce that I'm gonna do them in. First, you take all the whiskers off. They're huge whiskers. You gotta take those off. Now, normally what I do, I would keep these shells, and then I would make a sauce out of them, like a fish sauce. But
A broth, like a
broth.
broth.
But because we don't have a lot of time left here, because I want to do a shrimp sandwich, I'm gonna butterfly these like this.
Nice.
And you get more of and then of course devein them. But look how nice they devein nicely. Look at that. And then they go in. First the heads are going to go in, then this, and then I'm going to make the sandwich. Stay tuned. You know, wine is always good, but when it's 30 above Celsius, you have to drink beer. So beer is always good too.
Yep. And in Thailand.
Now, there's a very crucial stage of this whole operation here. Don't burn it. So what you do, got the garlic goes in, and the onions, okay? And pepper. Just a lot of pepper. Like this, okay? Now, that's going to saute a little bit, okay? Not for too long, but just enough to get these things nice, the juice right into the butter. And wine and beer, always good. Now look, Joan, look at this. Do not burn this. If you burn it, it's going to taste like shit. So now look at this. The heads are going to go in. Now, this flavor of those heads, okay, they're going to stay in this sauce, and I'm going to add beer to it. The beer makes a really, really nice sauce with the butter and the garlic and the onions and the pepper.
Wow.
Chop! Beer. Damn good. You have to, in a sandwich like this, when you cut the baguette in half, okay? Okay.
You need a bread knife.
I know, but I don't have one. Okay. The key is take the dough out of the middle, like this. Just take it out, then you're going to be able to fill it up. Really, really good stuff. And like onions and
Ooh, yum.
lettuce, a little bit of cheese. Okay. So now, there it goes. Now you add the stuff. Wait for 2 seconds. beer is always good, not necessarily for yourself all the time, but to cook with beer is always nice. It just puts in such amazing flavor. Look how those things look. Not nice. Those are just the heads. They go a little bit longer than the shrimp itself because it takes a little bit to get the heads inside, but they're going to be perfect. So these are almost ready. These heads. I just got to go a little bit more. Okay. And I'm just getting ready to add a little bit more onion and a little bit more pepper to that.
Are you cooking the onion or raw onion on the sandwich?
No, this is they're
cooked
cooked.
onion. Okay.
And then for the shrimp itself.
Okay.
So.
So.
The heads just go out like this, and they go into a nice bowl. And as soon as that is got them out of there, this, you just want a little bit of the juices in there like this. Back on this puppy goes. Okay. Then, sorry, John. Now in go the onions. I don't want to do them. I want to leave it partially raw.
Right.
Okay. And then I'm going to put in these butterflied shrimp
Nice.
into there, and then it's going to be ready. Like 2 shakes of a dog's tail. Cheers.
Beauty.
Look at these beauties.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh. It's lovely, baby. Oh. Of course, we won't use all of these tonight.
No.
And
Just
tomorrow
enough
we'll
for
have them
this.
for,
Yeah. No, that's gonna be.
In our salad tomorrow morning or something.
Yep.
Perfect, eh?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Ciao.
See.
Whenever you.
Nice.
These puppies are almost ready. Look at this, Joan.
Look at this. Ooh.
But you don't want to overdo these either. Like, you gotta be careful.
Ooh.
You know?
Wow.
Just a little bit, because you don't want them rubbery in your sandwich, right?
No, of course
Exactly.
not. No, they have to be perfect. Look at
And
that.
these I normally do on high, because then it doesn't take very long.
Beautiful.
Hot. Hot. These I just take out and put in here for now, because I'm going to use the juice, what's left in here, inside the sandwich. And then I'm going to place the shrimp on top of that.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah.
The aroma is
So
wonderful.
there, perfect. Now I'm going to start prepping the sandwich. Ciao.
Ciao. Okay.
This sauce, Johnny.
Yeah.
Wonderful sauce. Wonderful sauce. So now what I do is I take this and I just spread it on there. Like that. See that?
Yeah. It
Just
absorbs
spread like
right
this.
into-
Oh yeah, no, it's
Beautiful.
oh yeah.
Ooh.
No, it's just gonna be
Wow.
fantastic. And it softens up the bread so
Oh,
nice.
That's the way I love it.
I know.
Nice.
Now, once it's like this, in goes the lettuce. See? A little bit of lettuce like that.
Yeah,
Isn't that
yeah.
nice?
Beauty.
Good.
Beauty. I love the greens.
Yeah.
The greens are so good.
Look at that. Isn't that fantastic?
Yep.
Okay. So, now, where are we at there, sweetheart?
110.
Okay. Guys, look at the foam on that beer or wine.
Wine is always good. Beer is always good.
Yeah, exactly. Now look at these puppies, Joey. They are just absolutely wonderful.
See what you're doing here.
Now, Whenever you ask for a sandwich, a shrimp sandwich in a restaurant, they give you little pieces chopped up and then with a whole lot of filler in it. This is no filler.
Never ask Harry for a sandwich because it's going to be very elaborate.
Okay, so now, once that side is done, now here goes. Now we put in the cheese. Okay, see that? Oh man, okay, cheese is always
7, 8,
always so good.
9.
Did you get the cheese on there, Johnny?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, guess what? Okay. Okay, now the whole thing together, you add another layer of lettuce.
My favorite.
okay?
Ooh, my favorite lettuce.
And you layer it in pieces like this. And it's just wonderful. Like it's just layered, layered, layered. Now, then you add another layer.
What?
Oh, I know. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, my mouth's not that big.
Oh. Then you take this and you flip it over onto there like this.
Whoa!
Isn't that nice?
Done.
Is that a sandwich or is that a sandwich?
Voila! Is it?
Voila! Absolutely. This would be one hell of a sandwich. I'm gonna take.
You're gonna cut that with a
this.
paring knife?
Okay. Look at that. Isn't that unbelievable?
Whoa!
Look at that.
I don't know. Can
Okay.
that be done? Can that
Oh,
be
yeah.
eaten?
Yeah, you just squeeze it together.
Okay.
It'll be perfect. And so now, what we do, of course, for Maurizio and me, people that love heads, I'm going to put heads on mine. I'm going to put a whack of heads on you because they're so amazing. Chop. Okay. Well, another successful. Oh,
Wait for it. There's a plane.
plane's coming in. Another successful evening. Now, the heads go on as a garnish for some people, but for Orazio and me, it is a delicacy. I'm even going to give Joan a few.
My token ones.
Yes, you will
Okay,
get a few.
I'll suck on them just for a token. Token.
Perfect.
Okay.
Joan.
Ciao.
Isn't that amazing? You can't get it any better than this. Look at this.
Is it good?
Orazio!